Well, Olivia gets to go to daycare today. That's exciting. Are you excited, Olivia? Well, I gotta go get tested for the vid. And it's not that I feel sick or anything. It's because I was at a location that they consider it an exposure location. And apparently if you're there, you gotta get tested. Now I'm on my way to get tested for the vid. I got 5 minutes to get there, and there is no way I'm getting there in 5 minutes. So I guess I'm going to be a little late. I hope that's okay. Alright, well, I'm about halfway there, and I'm supposed to be there right now. So, that kind of sucks. Hope they don't get mad. Well, that wasn't too bad. I feel bad for him. It was a drive-through testing, and I got my diesel truck that's straight pipe, so it's kind of stinky. I feel bad for going in the drive-through with my stinky truck. Oh well, is what it is. That was quick. Well, when I left to get tested for COVID, there was a host right there. And now it's gone. Just like that. That's amazing. It's like they're finally doing something with that old rundown property. It was such an eyesore. I had to go fly the drone and get some drone footage of that. Well, I just had my first drone crash. I was trying to fly it into the house, which would have worked, but it's kind of windy, and a gust of wind came and took the drone and pushed it into the corner of the door here. I think right there is the mark. And we ended up breaking a propeller off it. But the good news is it comes with spare propellers. So I'm gonna replace it, take it for a flight, make sure everything's okay. Alright, so the drone is okay, but I have to get that closet painted, man. That has to get done today because it's got clothes all over the coach and just stuff all over the living room. We got to get it back in the closet so we can have a functioning living room for the weekend. And that's what I intend to do right now. think that's going to be a one coat jobby. I might need another coat where I patched the wall here. I might need another coat, but I'm looking forward to getting my living room back. Well, I think we're going to be good for a second coat. I don't think it's necessary, but I do have to replace the baseboards. So that's what I'm going to do now. Oh man, here comes the rain. The rain they were calling for. Woo! It's definitely wet out here, folks. I gotta get my Brad nailer. Brad, he's a good friend of mine. He always lends me his tool, and this is his nailer. Just kidding. Okay, got that. There's something else I needed too. What did I need? Let me think. Brad nailer. Check. I can't remember. I hope that's it. I want to run back out here. Here we go again. Well, there's one last thing I gotta do. And that is get Olivia. You have fun? You're all dirty. Like, oh, did you have fun? Yeah, you have fun, teacher? All right, where's the keys? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Whew. All right. Well, that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend.